In this video, we're going over the top 5 problems on this 7th generation Honda Accord. Number 1, the ignition switch. Now the symptom you're going to have with the bad ignition switch is the vehicle won't start. The ignition switch is located at the base of the lock cylinder housing, so pretty much on the other side of this. If your vehicle doesn't start, it's always a good idea to check with the battery first, but it's probably the ignition switch. Number 2, door latch actuators. Now you may have many different symptoms with the door latch actuator where the doors won't lock or unlock, and sometimes they may lock and unlock on their own. And a lot of times the problems are intermittent. The latch actuator is attached to the lock latch assembly, but it is sold separately. Number 3, the tail lights. On the back side of the tail light, there is a gasket, and if that gasket gets brittle, sometimes water can enter the tail light, and at that point, the tail light's got to be replaced. Number 4, the engine mounts. You may notice while you're driving along and you come to a stoplight and the vehicle is sitting there idling that it's vibrating excessively. That could be due to the engine mounts. Now the engine mounts are located right here. There's one at the front of the engine. There's one down below. There's a mount in the back here, and there's also one under that airbox. Over time, those mounts get brittle and they just need to be replaced. Number 5, the automatic transmission. You may notice that you have some harsh shifting and a check engine light with the engine light flashing. Now it could be dirty transmission fluid or even low transmission fluid, so you're going to want to have that checked out before you automatically think it needs a transmission replacement. But in the event that that's not the case, it's probably got internal transmission failure and it's going to need to be addressed. So those are our top 5 problems on this Honda Accord. Overall, these are really good cars. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.